Have you ever wondered, why does this problem always seem to appear again? Or, why doesn't this improvement seem to stick? In this module, we will look at one of the most important things you can do to make improvements stick: standard work. Standard work is a detailed definition of the current agreed-upon steps needed for a person to complete one work cycle in the absolute best and most reliable method possible. It goes without saying, but when improvements occur, it is important to standardize the improvements. Without new standards in place, it is very likely that the process will slip back into the way it's always been done before. In the just-in-time system, it is absolutely essential that you have standards in place. Taiichi Ono once shared, "Where there is no standard, there can be no Kaizen." This is true in the sense that improvements are only a figment of our imagination if we don't have somewhere to start or a baseline to measure from. As such, each process in a pull system depends on both the suppliers and customers in a process to deliver the right product at the right time and in the right amount. Without this, pull systems and the just-in-time system simply would not work. One way that a company can begin to establish standards and stable processes is to begin with standard work. Standard work makes it possible for processes to be measured, and it makes it much easier to improve upon. You may hear standard work referred to as standard operations or even work standards. Whatever the case, standard work has three main pieces in the standard work puzzle: takt time, standard sequences of work or standard work sequences, and standard in-process inventory, or standard work in progress. Another important measurement to keep in mind once your takt time has been established is your cycle time. While this isn't a main piece of the standard work puzzle, you will at some point need to understand how your current cycle time compares to your takt time. We will introduce cycle time along with the other three pieces of the standard work puzzle in upcoming lectures. Now, before we go, let's stretch our minds again. You can answer the following questions in the comments section, upcoming assignments section, or on a piece of paper at your desk. What do you think? Do you agree with Taiichi Ono's statement? And why? We look forward to the discussions that may start and the interaction that's possible as you answer these questions. We'll see you in the next module.